Tips in writing a resume with employment gap. Use a functional resume format. It's best to remove work experiences that are extremely short and instead focus on highlighting your skills. For relevant experiences, you can write about them in detail on your cover letter. Highlight what you can contribute to the company. To compensate for your employment gap, quantify why you're the best candidate for the position you're applying for instead. Showcase your qualifications and skills. Include examples of your accomplishments that are relevant to the job to highlight your skill set. Add the actions you took to better your professional status. Mention any credentials or courses you've taken during the time you've been away. These include certifications, consultancies, and freelance work. Use your cover letter in explaining your employment gap. Maximize your cover letter. When writing about why you quit your job, keep it positive. You can boost your chances of landing a job despite your employment gap by hiring professional resume writers. For more job application writing tips, follow us on our social media accounts.